Creating an assignment to a weekly module is just as easy as adding a page or a discussion. Go to that plus sign on the header, make sure that assignment is labeled, click Create Assignment, type your assignment name, and click Add Item. Then we will click on the title of the assignment, click on the Edit button, and now we'll see that same text box that allows us to give information to our students. Scrolling down, we'll be able to see all of the different settings for this assignment, including how many points the assignment might be worth, and most importantly, we will see the submission type. From this drop-down, no submission would mean that students aren't required to submit anything. So we'll want to make sure we choose online, and this will give us plenty of options for students to submit their work. We can choose text entry if we'd like them to type in a text box, a website URL if we're looking for a link to, say, a Google Doc, media recordings if we're looking for video submissions, student annotation if they're annotating any documents, and file uploads if you would like them to upload their own documents. We'll want to select file uploads. You can also choose to restrict the upload file types, but that's not something that is required. Scrolling down further, we can turn on plagiarism review by using the Turnitin sim check, and that's all you'll have to do for this. Scrolling down further, we can also assign a due date, just like we could for the discussions, and you can also add an available from and until date as well. Then we will scroll down and click Save and Publish. Now the assignment is ready for students, but there's an extra step that you can take once again, which is adding a rubric just like we did for discussions. By clicking the Add Rubric button, we can create and edit a rubric the same way we did in the discussion. We will then want to click on Use this rubric for assignment grading, and then click Create Rubric. This will now embed the rubric into the assignment so students will have access to it and you can use it for grading.